high school, quit habits, be popular. I finished the Be Popular thing, how to be popular, but I'm gonna do some things of it. School list, I'm gonna tell you that. And so let's get started. But you are going to need to stop the habit of telling your parents about, like, somebody said, like, your mama all fat and all that. Don't even, just ignore them because, just ignore them because they are just talking about their own thing. But, I get ticked off and would fight and, like, would talk back or tell my parents if somebody, like, cussed around and talked about my dad, because my dad died, like, when I was 5. So I would, like, seriously get mad. I will. So I'll just cross the line about talking about my dad. Don't. Because when I was in second grade, I told on somebody, and my family really did come up to school and tell the principal that. And I don't really play around with my daddy thing. No. So, like, somebody, like, really hurts you by talking about your daddy, or somebody's dead in your family, and they're talking about them like they're not, like they never even died, like they were there. You have no business talking about anybody's mother, no business talking about anybody's family members that you don't even know. No business. Even if you did know them, oh well, even if they are telling the truth and they're just saying it badly, oh well, because you know it's not true. Even if it is, ignore it. Or tell the teacher, because that's bullying, and that's straight bullying. And you won't have to put up with that. And you just, so another habit is being a tattletale. Well, you can tell a lot, but don't tell like somebody did something wrong. Wait till they get caught, Like in middle of test, this person is cheating in middle of a test, a meat test or something like that. Or you find them, this person is cheating on the test. Wow, really? No. So that person will get caught eventually. But the teacher might be looking, and they might get an F. They may get an F because the teacher may just be quiet and just see, and don't want to be a big commotion because they're trying to take the test and, pass this grade or do this test and the teacher know that they're fit for this grade. So please do not do that. That's a part of being tattletale. Tell, like, if somebody, like, cut themselves, like, deeply, or somebody is, like, very sick and won't tell, or someone is, like, getting constantly bullied. For example, like, somebody, like, cut their hand, like, like, for example, somebody is getting so bullied by the lockers and getting, like, bullied by 3 other people at the same time. So then you go run, tell it to the principal or the teachers. I would tell the principals and the teachers. But, so, they call you a snitch. What? That person could have died. I wouldn't care if they called me a snitch, because if it was risking somebody's life or somebody was hurting very badly, I would tell. And yes, I don't care if it was on. I don't care if it was on. If I told on my own brother or sister, because I told on my brother before. No, it's no harm to me. I tell on my brother a lot sometimes. Like, when he jumps on the couch, like he stands up on the couch and jumps on it, he's gonna fall. Or he's getting bad grades and he's not behaving. So that's my big sister thing. I'm supposed to tell the parents about his big sister thing. I don't behave like the other students. Like they're like misbehaving. I behave. I'm like, I don't do that. I'm not bad in class. Trust me now. Try to get good grades. The supplies you're gonna need. I'm gonna tell you again. You're gonna need scissors. Some people may say this is ours, but yeah. You're gonna need scissors, binder, notebook paper, notebook, folder. I don't say folders on neither one of them. Sharpener. Crayons maybe if you want to. Color pencils if you don't have to. Markers don't have to. Erasers, cap erasers, big erasers, you know. Ruler, calculator, protractor. I call it projector for some reason. A protractor. Some of the grades need some of these. Some of your grades, that's me. What else? This is my mother.
What is calculator? It was down here.
Calculator. 1 second. My mom wants the calculator. That was from last year, red calculator. You have to listen to your parents. You're gonna need a pencil box. If you need glasses, get glasses. Or you can use contacts. I don't know. I don't even know what age. I don't know what ages use contacts. I never use contacts. I don't have glasses. I think I need glasses because when I usually sit like in the middle of the class, like in the middle of the classroom, like in the middle aisle, like a little bit far back away from the board and a little close to the board. This year I was like really close to the board, so that was very helpful. Girls, you can paint your nails or anything. Dress code. I didn't get to dress code on my own. Dress code. Navy blue. Navy blue. White, light blue. Tan. With the T-A-N. Tan. Now I said navy blue. White, light blue. Tan. And maybe yellow. Some of the schools don't do yellow. Violet red, like a brownish red. Black. That's probably your school clothes. Some of the colors like red. Like dark blue, very dark blue, like this. For your dress code. Like that, navy blue, and light blue. This is navy blue. See? Light blue, I can't show you light blue right now. But yeah. So, they might, or you might have, you might not have this. This is my mom's, glasses case. She only does it like, I don't know, when she's not reading, but doing her homework. So yeah, that'll be very helpful. Some girls need tampons or something like that. So like, have it so it won't slip out. I don't even know why I brought it up. Girls, you might need lip gloss for it. You might need hand sanitizer. Everybody, hand sanitizer, lotion, girls, maybe boys. Lip chat, boys, maybe Carmex, like the rubbing company. And bye. Watch, rate, comment, and suggest. And that's the end of this